Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today, I'm going to show you how to fold socks, and I bought a sock blocker from Amazon, so I'm going to share you my unboxing. Okay, I already folded, and I just love the, see, doesn't fall apart. Okay, I'll just show you. What I usually do is on my socks, I go like this, and I put in my shelves. My sock shelves, but I like this method because it's a knitted sock, right? And I'm going to do a tutorial on how to knit toe up. I still have lots of yarn left from the 100 gram. I tried to use it up, but I said, yeah, it's enough. It's pretty decent, the length. Okay, so you fold it like this, you put it like this, and you put the other one oppositing. See, one is oppositing down, one is oppositing, the heel is oppositing up. And what I do is I fold it like this, fold the one first up, fold the second cuff up, and then what I do is I tuck it in here, and then this way it gets stuck there. And then you fix it. Ta-da! I just love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to wash this, and I'm going to block it on the blocker. I already bought it from AliExpress, the wood ones. I don't like them. No, I don't like them. So I bought this one. I saw it on my knitting group. I have a knitting group called Edmonton Knitting and Crochet Group. And it's not on only Edmonton. Lots of my subscribers come there. So I'm going to open this with you. Is there an easy way to, oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I bought it on Amazon. I don't know the quality, so, oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is, oh, there's two of them. I only thought there were, oh, so how many is there? Adult size sock blockers. Oh, I love this. Here we go. US for small, medium, large. Oh, this is nice, and it has a size. Oh, this is just beautiful. I just love it. Silly Monkey adult size sock blockers. These are very expensive. I've been hunting for them, like 100 maybe. I saw them on 100, and plus their shipping fee. And so I asked her. She I don't know if you're watching. Hello. She keeps on posting socks, and I haven't been knitting socks. I don't know, 2 years now, I guess, because I did knit like crazy when I first learned how to knit socks. I even took a course. 2007 was it, or 2000? I can't remember. And she did not teach us well. Okay. Yeah, I went to a local yarn shop here in Edmonton. And I don't think she gave us any notes, you know, so I can go back and, oh, this is really good quality. So anyways, I've been, she's been posting socks, and I said, oh, I'm going to knit socks again. I love it. And my son, his socks, oh, and then they attach, so it's really nicely secured. Can you see? So 1, 2, 3, and the steel is so good quality. I just can't believe this. Oh my goodness. And then they do have for gloves and mittens as well, but I needed the socks first. I will come to that because I need to make gloves as well, mittens. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut these. Oh, I just can't believe it, how good quality these are. Oh, the steel, the hanger. Oh, here we go. So I will put the link, I will pin it, and then you guys can go and check. Well, I'm in Canada, so I'm gonna pin, oh. So here's the hanger. Look at the hanger. Oh my goodness. And then how many is here? There's 2 of each. Oh wow. So there's 6. Yeah, so 2 of each. Oh, This is nice. Well, I don't know. I bought the wood ones and can't hang them or do anything. Oh, look at these. These are really good. Let me try to make it bigger so you guys can see. So I'm going to soak them. Well, I'm not going to even wash them because it's clean. But I will use fabric softener, liquid fabric softener. I think mine is the biggest. Wow, these are really nice. And then you hang them. See, you can hang them even on the laundry shelves I have. Oh, I can't believe this. Oh, I just had to share it with you guys. So, you know how expensive they are. Even the antique ones, like the rusted ones, are selling it for, I don't know, $50. Thought that was pretty expensive. Okay, so let me just put this on and you guys can see. So this is the biggest, I guess, I made. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, wow, yeah. Mine is the biggest, even bigger than this. I need to get that size. Yeah, I need that paper. This is really, really useful. The one that shows the size. Where was it? Here. So the large says between 11 to 13. Is this the largest? Yeah, this is the largest, I believe. Yeah, this is the largest. But let me just wet. Let me just wash and then I will show you. Look how this looks. Oh my goodness. Hand knit socks. Yeah, my arm is still painful, but I'm mostly using my right hand when I'm knitting because it's knit, right? And I'm using this hand to knit, so I'm trying not to try because it is really painful. So let me go and wash this and I will come back and then we will hang this. Look at this. Wow. So I can hang one here. I can hang one here. Oh, this is really nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You know what? Let's wash it together. Let's do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am just putting liquid warm. It's a little bit cold. I'm just going to use Gang. This bottle is almost empty. Just a little bit, not too much. Oops. Well, the bottle is empty. See? And then what I'm going to do is I am going to soak the socks just like this. This yarn I paid $32. I could never forget, and I've been hoarding it for, I don't know, for 10 years now, maybe 2009. I can't remember. So yeah, over 10 years. Just like this, and I'm gonna gently squeeze it. Okay, I will squeeze it and I'll be right back. Well, I'll show you how to squeeze it. I'm going to use my my left hand. As you can see, my shingles are healing, but it's still very painful. I don't know, like I did talk about it on my live stream on January the 27th. My arm is just so bad. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. And then I am going to put them on the hanger and then hang them to dry. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is where I bought it. And then when you click it, so I paid $39.51 for everything. Just can't believe it. And they're very good quality. So it's called Silly Monkey Sock Blockers and Laundry Dryer Hanger Rack Stainless Steel. Yes, the stainless steel is pretty good. So I would highly recommend, and I will put the link below. Again, this is in Canadian dollars. Yeah, you know the way you dry your socks. Well, I hang them on the hanger for hand knit ones, but I clip them, but I just love it. Yeah. Okay. So here I am going to, well, the socks are big, but the hanger, I don't know, like mine are. This isn't a 13, size 13 and over. My son is 12, I believe. Not even a 12. So I don't know. I felt that the sock was too big for this biggest hanger. I don't know. See what I mean? It's not stretching it or doing anything to it. Oh well. So, stay tuned for the tutorial. Yeah, I've been looking at other people's tutorials, and like, I don't know how they do tutorials. They don't show the entire, you know, they just show the beginning, and the rest is like you do it yourself. So I try to do the heel this way, but even I did it so tight, it's like noticeable. See? So I'm still working on that. Yeah. Toe up though. From starting from the cuff is easy. It's just the toe up that difficult to yeah. So I am going to put this and hang it and see if it's gonna stay. That's another thing, right? And if you make your cuff longer, then this won't work. That's another thing. I just realized that if you have I don't know, you know what I mean, right? Like it comes all the way up here. Let's say if you made it longer, then that's another story, right? So let me just measure. I know that from the toe to the heel it was 10 inches, I believe. Right? That's... Well, this is big for me, so I made it for my son, so it would fit him perfectly. So it's actually 11 inch. And this part is 9 inch. So think about it. I don't know. I don't know the other hanger blocker, so I did look at the measurements. I thought it would be okay, but you know what I mean? It's not, so when I hang, yeah, it's staying. See, when I'm holding it from here, it's not going down, so that's a good thing. It's holding. Maybe I don't want to clip it, then I clip it, it will leave marks on it. Yeah. So let me hang this and I'll show you guys how it looks. So far, I really like it. Yeah, for knitting smallers, that's no problem because I have the small and the medium, and that would work. But it's my main thing was the large. Yeah, I don't know if they make bigger ones, but I like the quality, the texture. I just love it. Look, and then it has a plastic grip on it. You know what I mean? It's very good quality. I'm very surprised. So let me hang. I already have a hoodie hanging, cotton. I hang it, and hang it to dry. So I'll be right back. I'll show you how it looks like. Oh, before that, let me hang it on these. Yeah, that's, see, this is what you do. You hang one on here on the edge, And then you hang another one here at the end, so the weight would be equal. So I'll be right back. It's hard to show it here. Okay, so here is my hanger. I already have a hoodie hanging. So I'm just gonna put it, but my sock fell. Oopsie daisy. See, my sock fell. I don't like this. Let me put it back on. Who knows if that's gonna fall too, right? Okay, so I hanged it. Let's see. This is how it looks like so far. So it's not staying. Well, it's wet. That's another thing. So I just wanted to show you these hangers. Will I buy it again? Yeah, well, definitely, because it's way cheaper than other sites that I've been hunting for years, actually. And the wooden ones I don't like because they're too small. Yeah, that's another thing, because I knit big size socks. It looks like this one's falling too. If you look at it, the heel is way up here. I don't know. I might need to put a laundry clip. Let's do that and see if it's gonna stay. Okay, so I got some 2 laundry clips and I'm just gonna clip it so at least it will hold. Because this one's about to fall as well. Yeah. Price-wise, I really like it. You know, $40 Canadian I paid. Free shipping, Amazon. I'm on the Prime time. And I might even buy the mitten and the glove ones. Those are $50, I think. But they're selling the hangers as well. So I don't know. I just wanted to buy the lower price and see the quality. I don't know what this is for though. Oh, you put it like that. Okay. Maybe you hang more stuff. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to share. Am I excited? Definitely, because they're way better than the wooden blockers, sock blockers. So you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You guys take care. Those are yarn. Believe it or not. And I put a plant on top of it. It looks nice, doesn't it? Bye-bye.